anye be hanya kwa bagamba brother TV ngbeji ni amwa okromonsa ngene woke Igbo manche ni ji Royal Majesty ambassador Chukwudi Ihenetu mba wana sani gba fi o so da gele efe anagunyi wo blofo ba wie wo ba ya konu abo nu mu atue sanyi fi o ejepo internet e no ni ba sumo aka gbala mi ni ejie na ida ke be pie ka sani e ba no wie ku e aga na yo be eye menyu machinshi e wonu mu efe na ko na efe gbean ko ni no na yo mo ye no na te no ye ko ni no me gecha no.
Viewers all over the world, by the special grace of God, I am Eze Dr. Ambassador Chukwudi Jude Ihenetu, the Eze Igbo of Ghana, the king of all the Igbo community in Ghana, to the glory of God. I did not choose myself to be the Eze of my people. The Igbo community in Ghana, my people, the Igbos in Ghana, chose me to be their diasporan king. It's not just choosing. Somebody also drag the position with me, but by the virtue of election within the community, I won the election. That's what brought me on this diasporan throne of the Igbo people in Ghana. And to God be the glory. I've been sitting on this seat here since 2012. I was crowned the Eze Igbo of Ghana, 30th of August 2012. So this is August this year will be 13 years here, to the glory of God. And this is 13 years of hard working to promote our culture in diaspora. What are we talking about when you say promoting culture in diaspora? It's for we to impact to our children our culture, our tradition, who we are, and for them not to, forget who they are. When you say you are impacting our tradition to our people, what are all these things? It's also for them to inherit that culture and the tradition of our people. Igbos are travelers. We travel all over the world to the glory of God. And as we are traveling, some people are also leaving behind our culture and our tradition. Some people are leaving behind who they are and their identity. But with the diasporan thrones that our fathers has established, our people around the world are now in contact, are now close close with our culture and our tradition, not forgetting who they are. And I did not make myself the diasporan leader, the diasporan Eze, the diasporan king of our people. I've never dreamt in my life to be a king in the diaspora, but to God be the glory. I am here today. And not just being here to promote culture alone, also to bring peace among our people. Also to look into matters that we put our people in problem and let them know that with our understanding as community we can solve it. Also teaching our people how to respect the laws of the land and not to prohibit the laws of the land. Holding town hall meetings and also promoting businesses between our host nation and the other part of the world, as long as Igbos are concerned into trade and into commerce. A whole lot that I am doing from this throne, not just me alone, together with the Igbo elders in Ghana here, both young and old, and also other sub-diasporan kings under me that are coming together to promote our culture, our tradition, our businesses, love among ourselves, and peace and unity, and also among our host nation. In every society, if you don't have leaders, people will do whatever they want to do because nobody cautions them. And Igbos, we respect and cherish culture a lot. Igbos give more respect to our Ezes. Igbos give more respect to our kings. Igbos give more respect to our culture and our tradition than the political seat of our people in terms of being a chairman of our community, So the diasporan throne that is established in Ghana, it's not just only in Ghana. We have it in America, in UK, in Cotonou, in Togo, in Abidjan, in India, in Australia, in New Zealand, in Denmark, in Russia, around the world, even in Italy. We have them in South Korea, So it's for we to know who we are. And it's not only the Igbos that have diasporan thrones. The Yoruba have it here, the Hausa have it, the Moshud have it, the Togolese also have it, the Malians have it, the Cotonou have it, Ivorians all around. It's all about bringing your people together to know who they are. So I don't know why some of Ghanaian bloggers are speaking against Igbo diasporan throne in Ghana. The one I'm in charge of, the one I'm in leadership of it, the one I'm at the head of it. Some bloggers in Ghana are saying that Igbos are not supposed to give the opportunity to have a diasporan throne in Ghana. Why? What is wrong with that? Others have diasporan throne here in Ghana. And the elders of the land appreciate the existence of foreigners that live in their land and appreciate the existence of Igbos that live in their land. So how come some few bloggers that are looking for daily bread through blogging are sitting down there on their various platforms and casting against the Igbos that live in Ghana, to the extent calling Igbos 419, to the extent even calling me, the Igbo diasporan king here, 419, that I took the throne on the 419. What do you mean by that? The throne was given to me by my people, so how come I took the throne by 419? That is crazy. And this is assassination of character. This is a destroying of character. And those that are engaged destroying my name, that the Igbo throne in Ghana is a 419 throne, be rest assured that I will sue you. No matter any country you think you are, and you are destroying the name of Igbos in Ghana, destroying the name of Igbo throne in Ghana, I will sue you, because you cannot destroy a whole tribe and go free by that. Some of you are saying that Igbos, when we have a handshake with you, will suck your blood. Some people are saying Igbos are killing, drinking blood and all. That is not true. It's never true. Igbos are hard-working people, one of the best species here on earth that are hard-working people. You who sitting down there as a blogger, looking for free money because you are blogging, looking for free money, and you sit down there destroying people's name, is wrong. Go and work hard and make daily bread with your hands. Go and work hard and have a life change than sitting down there as a blogger. People are paying you to destroy people's name. I'm sorry, it's a very bad omen. So it's better you change your ways from there. People also, based on the bloggers saying nonsense things against myself and Igbo people, that why would God Traditional Council induct Eze Igbo Ghana into the Ghana Council? My brother, my sister, you the blogger who is sitting down there to say all this kind of thing that you don't know what you are talking about. There's no how a foreign diasporan throne, whether you are Yoruba, you are Mosu, you are Hausa, you are Ivorian, will exist without the approval of the owners of the land for them to welcome you. So I am not the first ever person that the traditional council, the traditional areas of various areas in Ghana has welcomed into their community. And the elders understand how important it is. But you bloggers sitting down there, you don't know you don't know how important it is for we to have a communion together, to have community together. So remember that I am not leading or ruling our nation. Our host nation is the Igbo people, the Igbo tribe. I'm not even ruling other Nigeria tribes, just the Igbos. And by the special grace of God, we respect the land. We submit to the authority of the land. I've lived in Ghana for many years. This is my 30 years in Ghana, in and out Ghana. Married a Ghanaian, also a queen mother from her community. And I have no criminal record in Ghana. I'm a genuine businessman. I have no criminal record in Ghana. I work so hard for daily bread. So you go and work so hard for daily bread, not sitting down behind the camera and blogging with fake information and destruction of people's name. Be careful anywhere you are. Sometimes a lot of people ask me that they always see me most of Ghanaian programs, and some people also tell me they see most Ghanaian kings in Igbo program in Ghana. I tell them these are some of the reasons that Igbos have the diaspora throne for we to exchange culture. It's all about promoting African culture. It's not just promoting only Igbo culture, but promoting African culture. In Ghanaian traditional programs I go in there with our culture. There you can see the two cultures blend together. The Ghanaian people also that come to Igbo traditional displaying culture like our Yam Festival. You see also under culture within and around Igbo culture. It's also promotion of African culture. I tell people that African culture is the same. There's no different about African culture. It's all about the language that separated us. So the communication between our host nation and ourselves, the Igbo people, in regards to culture, is all about cultural promotion. So you, the blogger, who is saying, why are we mixing up with the Ghanaian culture? You need to learn about culture. You need to understand that African culture is the same. You need to understand that the division within African continent is just the border issues that our colonial masters brought to us. So we need to, even you, that place you are as a blogger, you rather need to promote African culture, not to bring misunderstanding and division among the people. So when you see us mingling with our people, it's all about African promotion of our culture. I'm so surprised as I saw some of the bloggers insulting our powerful Ghanaian kings, more especially in Ghana land, where somebody can come up on the internet insulting Ghana kings and Ghana queen mothers. It shows that you are not cultured as a blogger, as a raised son of the land. Ghanaians are wonderful, great people that respect themselves and their elders. But for you to disrespect your kings, it means you are not cultured. It did not come from a good home that is properly cultured. So you need to wake up. If you want to know about respect and tradition and culture and submissiveness to elders, come and I will teach you for free. I'm not going to charge you money. So you should wake up, because the attitude you are displaying, sitting down there as a blogger, insulting the elders and the kings, it is so wrong. So when I see you insulting me and I realize you've been insulting your kings and your queen mothers years, even till now. Then I started laughing. I look at it that you are not worthy for me to spend my time to talk to you. But anyway, my friends and my well-wishers and my elders told me that I need to, debunk the insult you are giving to me and giving to Igbo community in Ghana. So you have to stop that. If you a blogger, go into reality and don't put informations that are defamation to people's character. You can be jailed for that. People can even curse you die for giving wrong information about people just because you want to make money from YouTube. So be warned. If you're a blogger, don't give wrong information. Give information you are right for. God bless you.
You are me be madam yesin aka nye fe be ni nyeba kwe ni no ni ya no ni na kwe wo aka adisa ko ba nye etishin ni ewo computer emehi ni ewo camera emehi ni no ni kra ni ba nye tupeji e ba je onupai ni amechalacha ni amebo bla ojogban mene ngbodromo na etu eni ni eje here blogger ko ni wonye wo che egbeja ka wonye mo hale na kama ileje ekwafu no agale no ne ba fe no je ba fete no mu egbe aka fe neke efe neke min clear the air ake viemo ne eyo fe be mi aka gbomogbonyoni 419 efio e show mola ke to de hu no nya yo de ene me fe eche viemo age onyonku senwa oya be no fio age enake gan majante me priye simeni efe egbeye fiope ni numo ne le shami elegbe ke lo nupa meni kele shin ojogba ambe ma ye odase akene no yuo ne je agbasho mi awie si noko ni numu afio eye so mo na apa e ha disem na ewa amofia mo ko chi obenkele ni noko gbo na enye ewa abo ke enye ewa bopo e ba cho mo ngonu na wale enne mehewo ni afi numu etekele 2012 ke ba shibia ne ena so mo na apa ye gan certain ewa ba cho ablade tv ne no ni wa han hyenye me ne hwe ade yake wo ke fokwan ne no no mo fe mo ananu yake Royal Majesty ambassador na akpa Chukwudi Jude Ihenetu ni leji Igbo manche ye gama na emi je gama na epe echu eni ye se ko ta flaho ye na danlo ye jen oba danfa ye na danlo ye jen hu oba nwa ye na danlo ye jen ote central region na danlo jen ni se na epu ate tamale ton na danlo jen efene bonafe ni Igbo community e boni amiche amesha ni abuana ko ba yesi ni numo ne ba ne blame bono ba na ke anago nyefe ni fe efe no ko nehu bia ne ona na ka no ko don ni ka bo yu ni numo e to gbeja no ni Igbo Young Festival ni efi oda afie afine e ba ya no ye efo sedelen park no e wo mo ko fai blogger se fe ka nyinu nokwe nye bo amade nye chi anye benka na gbala mi aha ni